Hello everyone, Tim Morset with Coldwell Banker, and are you in for a treat today because we're in front of our hot new listing at 3 Flores and Foothill Ranch. So if you've ever thought about owning a house with 4 ensuite bedrooms, a bonus room, pool, spa, large private backyard on a quiet cul-de-sac street in an amazing area of Foothill Ranch, this is a house for you. Let's go take a look inside. So here we are in the amazing formal living room. I just love this house. Huge ceilings, 2-story ceilings, a beautiful spiral staircase accented by a circular skylight. This is an amazing room. You've got your formal dining room. Who has a formal dining room today? This is a huge area, and they use it as a sports bar with a foosball. This is a great area, great space to enjoy your family in. Also downstairs, you have a powder room, an inside laundry room with Calateca quartz countertops. It's beautiful. A downstairs ensuite bedroom. This is only one of 2 models in a whole community of Foothill Ranch that has that option. The bedroom also has an outside door, so it's great access for out-of-town guests or relatives. Let's go ahead and look at the kitchen. As we walk into the family room kitchen area, you're gonna be amazed at all the windows. A huge family room. The sellers upgraded the fireplace with stacked stone, built-in media center, plantation shutters. We're walking on luxury vinyl flooring. Huge remodeled kitchen, beautiful granite leather countertops, pantry. The soft pull-out drawers are wonderful. Double oven / microwave. I love the cabinetry. And I love the glass backsplash. It's a nice accent against the granite. And then we end up at the sink, the farmhouse sink overlooking the backyard. This is a beautiful setting. I can just imagine cooking a nice gourmet dinner here. So here we are standing in this amazing primary suite. We're in the retreat area here. It's divided by a double-sided fireplace. And then you step up 2 steps to the bedroom area, which easily accommodates a California king-size bedroom. I can just imagine the lights flickering at night with the fireplace going. How romantic is this area? Now let's go take a look at the bathroom. Look at this wonderful, elegant primary bathroom. Dual vanities, separated. You've got an area here for makeup, a sitting area, a large oval soaking tub, a separate shower area, a huge walk-in closet, and a little station here. I can imagine putting your little Peloton up here. Let's go take a look at the rest of the rooms. So here in the upstairs landing, we have linen cabinets, which is really convenient in the center area. We have bedroom number 3, which has a tub and mirrored wardrobes, crown molding, high ceilings. Bedroom number 4 has a walk-in closet, shower, high ceilings. So we enter the bonus room through the double doors. This is a great space, high ceilings. You can have a pool table here, a media room, a workout area. And I know people in this neighborhood who have converted the bonus room into a 5th bedroom with an extra bathroom. There are a lot of great options with this property here at 3 Flores. Let's go take a look at the backyard now. If you're looking for a private backyard, this property has it. It's a deep lot, block wall fencing, no one can look in, total privacy, pool, spa, barbecue area for steaks, a lounge area behind the pool, a large covered patio with a perfect area for alfresco dining. So if you want a property in Foothill Ranch, over 3,600 square feet, 4 en-suites, a bonus room, 4.5 baths, quiet cul-de-sac street, get a hold of the Tim Morset and the Coldwell Banker team. We're here to help you, 949-412-2233. Take care, be safe.